Project governance is a foundational concept that describes the framework through which project decisions are made, monitored, and controlled. It establishes the rules, policies, and processes for guiding a project from start to finish. Think of it as the overarching structure that ensures your project stays aligned with organizational objectives and delivers expected value. This framework is essential for any organization undertaking projects, large or small. The primary purpose of project governance is to provide consistent direction and oversight for project performance. It ensures that projects are managed effectively and efficiently, contributing directly to the organization's strategic goals. Without a clear governance framework, projects can easily drift off course, leading to misaligned efforts, resource waste, and failure to meet stakeholder expectations. Governance provides the necessary checks and balances to keep things on track. Many students often confuse project governance with project management itself. However, these are distinct but complementary functions, and understanding the difference is key for the Certified Associate in Project Management exam. Project management focuses on the day-to-day execution and delivery of project work, utilizing processes like planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling. It is about how the project is being done, managing the tasks, resources, and schedule to achieve specific deliverables. In contrast, project governance operates at a higher, more strategic level, defining the boundaries, authority, and accountability within which project management activities occur. Governance answers critical questions such as, who has the ultimate authority to approve major scope changes or significant budget increases? Or how will overall project performance and strategic alignment be reported to senior leadership? It is about ensuring the project remains the right project for the organization and is being done correctly from a strategic oversight perspective. A practical example helps illustrate this difference. Imagine a company developing a new mobile application. Project governance would define the steering committee or project board responsible for reviewing overall strategic alignment, approving major funding decisions, or deciding whether to pause or cancel the project if market conditions shift. The project manager, operating under this governance framework, would then be responsible for managing the daily development tasks, coordinating the team, tracking progress, and delivering the application according to the approved plan. Key components of a robust project governance framework typically include clearly defined decision-making processes and authorities, specific roles and responsibilities for oversight bodies like a project management office or steering committee, and established reporting mechanisms. It also covers how risks are identified, assessed, and managed at an organizational level, how compliance with corporate policies and regulatory requirements is ensured, and how project benefits realization is tracked. This comprehensive structure provides accountability and transparency throughout the entire project lifecycle. Implementing effective project governance brings several significant benefits to an organization. It improves the quality of decision-making by clarifying who makes which decisions and based on what criteria. It enhances accountability by assigning clear responsibilities for project oversight and outcomes. It also increases transparency by establishing regular and consistent reporting, keeping all relevant stakeholders informed. Ultimately, a strong governance framework helps ensure projects deliver their expected value, remain aligned with the organization's strategic direction, and manage risks appropriately. Understanding project governance is crucial, because its effectiveness is heavily influenced by the organizational structure in which the project operates. The way an organization is structured directly impacts how authority is distributed, how communication flows, and how project decisions are made. This naturally leads us to our next topic, where we will explore various organizational structures and their direct impact on project management.